I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make drinks using milk. Start by choosing the milk type and gather sweeteners, spices, syrups, and tools like a whisk or blender. I'll guide you through basic ratios, heating tips, flavor pairings, and dairy alternatives so you can make lattes, milkshakes, and chilled beverages confidently. Keep tasting and adjusting sweetness and texture for your preferred balance. Stay tuned for easy recipes and quick hacks to customize every drink. Warm up with simple, reliable recipes you can make any day at home. For lattes, use a 1:2 ratio of espresso to milk and steam gently to create silky foam. Chocolate milk benefits from dissolving cocoa and sugar in a little hot water before whisking in cold milk. For milkshakes, blend 2 scoops of ice cream with 1 cup of milk and pulse until thick and creamy, then taste and adjust. Experiment with flavors and techniques to make every drink your own. Steep cinnamon, cardamom, or vanilla in warm milk for a few minutes to extract gentle aromas. Add syrups, honey, or extracts in small amounts, tasting as you go to avoid oversweetening. When making iced drinks from hot infused milk, cool rapidly in an ice bath to keep a clean taste, then strain to remove solids before serving for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.